Welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to start very important topic, class 11th math arithmetic progression part 3rd. Let us see the question. Here question is what? So that the sequence 9, 12, 15 that is an AP. Find 16th term and the general term. So for this type of question, first we have to check it is an AP or not. So what is AP? That is arithmetic progression. When any sequence, there is a common difference is same. So common difference is what? Second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term is constant. That is equal. Then we will go for this is in AP. So let us see. So first we are finding A2, second term minus first term. So second term is what? 12 and first term is 9. So 12 minus 9 is what? 3. In the same way, this is what? Third term. A3 minus second term. Third term is what? 15. And this is what? 12. So 15 minus 12 is what? 3. So common difference here is same. Second minus third minus second is same. So if the common difference of sequence is same, then it is in AP. So here common difference is same, so it is in AP. So we have proved this first part so that the sequence in AP, yes, the sequence is in AP. Now find its 16th term. So we have to find 16th term and the general term. So you know general term formula is what? General term is given by, you can say Tn or An. Both are same. General term, that is nth term, or nth term, equal to what? A plus n minus 1 into d. A is what? First term. N is what? Which term we have to find. And d is what? Common difference. So here we are finding general term. So we will put n for n only. So first term is what here? First term of sequence is what? 9. Plus this is n and common difference is what? 3. So when we solve this number, 9 plus 3n minus 3. So we will get what? 9 minus 3 is what? 6. So this is 6 plus 3n. So this is the general term of this sequence. If we want first term A1, then 6 plus 3, 9. You see here 9. If we need second term A2, so 6 plus 3 into 2, 6. 6 and 6 is what? 12. So in the same way, find third term A3. Then 6 plus 3 into 3, 9. 9, 6, 15. So we can find any terms. Now here we have to find what? 16th term. So very easy. Just put n equal to 6. So 16th term, that is A6 equal to what? 6 plus 3 into 6. So here A16 we are finding. So 6 plus 3 into what? That is 16. So we get what? 6 plus 6, 3 is 48. So this is 8, 6, 14 and this is 54. So our correct answer is what? 54. 6 plus. Now see the next question. The next question is what? So that the sequence log A, log AB, log AB square, log ABQ is on AP. Find its nth term. So again for this type of question, simple technique is what? Here we have to find the given sequence in AP. So what is AP? AP is that type of sequence where common difference is same. Common difference is what? Second term minus first, third minus second, 4 minus 3 and so on is always equal. So first let's check. So just we are finding second term A2 minus first term A2 minus A1. So here A2 is what? Log AB. So this is log AB minus first term is what? Log A. So you know this is log x minus log y. So log x minus log y means what? Log x upon y. X divide y. So we can write this log AB and divide A. So this A and A cancel. We will get what? Log B. In the same way, if we are finding A3 minus A2, third term minus second. So third term is what? Log AB square. And minus, this is what? Log AB. Again, this is log x minus log y. So formula is what? Log x upon y. So we can write very easily log AB square, and this is what? AB. So this A cancel, this B cancel. We will get what? Log B. In the same way, if we are finding fourth minus third term. So fourth term is what? Log AB cube. So this is AB cube and minus. Third term is what? Log AB square. So you know log x minus log y is what? Log x upon y. So same rule here, log. This is AB cube and divided by AB square. So this A cancel and this B square cancel, you get what? Only B. So this is what? Log B. So you know here second minus first, third minus second, and fourth minus third. All are same, that is log B, log B, log B. So common difference is same. So the sequence is in AP. So the sequence is in AP, correct. Right? Now we have to find its nth term. So you know nth term formula is what? Nth terms of AP is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. A is what? First term, and D is what? Common difference. So here A first term is what? That is log A. So this is log A plus n minus 1 into D is what? Log B. So this is log B. Now we can write log A plus n into log B. So this is what? N log B. And minus log B. Or you can write minus log B. So we can write here, this is log A, right? And this is n log B, and here log B. So log B is common, n minus 1. So we can write this what? That is log B to the power what? N minus. Because you know log n log A equal to what? Log A to the power n. This n minus n become what? Power of B, right? So we can write log B to the power n minus 1. Now this is log x plus log y. So log x plus log y means what? That is log x into y. X multiply y. So we can write very easily log A B to the power n minus 1. This is our correct answer. So nth terms of this AP and sequence is what? Log A B to the power n minus 1. This is our correct answer. Now see the next question, question number 3. The question 3 is what? Which term of the sequence 72, 70, 68, 66, dash is 40. So we have to check which term of this sequence is 40. So first of all, you check the sequence is in AP or not. So AP means what? Common difference between, so between what? Common difference should be same. So common difference is what? Second term minus first term. So 70 minus 72 is what? Minus 2. 68 minus 70 is what? Minus 2. 66 minus 68 is what? Minus 2. So here common difference is C. So first term is what? 72 and common difference is what? Minus 2. Now we have to find which term of sequence is 40. So suppose nth term is 40. So nth term is what? An. So an equal to 40. You know general term of the AP, that is nth term is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So here formula is what? A plus n minus 1 into D is 40. So here A is what? 72 and n we have to find, and common difference is what? Minus 2. This is what? 40. So this is 72 And here minus 2 into n is what? Minus 2n. Minus 2 into minus 1 is what? Plus 2. And this is what? 40. So 72 and plus 2 is what? 74. And this is what? Minus 40. And this minus 2n here positive. So this is minus 2n. When come to this side become positive. 74 minus 40 is what? That is 34 is what? 12. So now we have to find n. So 2 when come this side, multiply become divide. So we will get what? N equal to 34 by 2, that is 70. So which term of sequence is 40? That is 17th term is what? 40. So our correct answer is what? 17th term. Now see question number 4. Question 4 is what? How many terms are there in sequence 3, 6, 9, 12, that is up to 11. So here question is, if the sequence is going same, then up to 111. So 111, so the total number of terms is what? So for this type of question, again first you check the given sequence is in AP or not. So how can we check the series in AP? First we check common difference. Common difference means second minus first, third minus second, 4 minus 3. If every is same, then it is in AP. So we are checking 6 minus 3, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 12 minus 9, 3. So it is in AP. So if it is in AP, then A equal to, and the first term is what? 3. And common difference is what? That is 6 minus 3 is what? 3. Now we have to find how many terms. So last term is given what? 111. So we know nth terms of any AP is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. So here last term is given. So last term given means what? Nth term is given 111. So we know the formula nth A plus n minus 1 into D is what? 111. So here first term A is what? 3. So this is 3. And we have to find, and common difference is what? 3, and this equal to 111. When we solve this number, 3 plus 3n minus 3 equal to what? 111. So this 3 and 3 cancel. So 3n equal to 111. So n equal to 111 by 3. So 3 3 are 9, 2 remainder 21, 3 7 are 21. So n is what? 37. So how many terms are there? The number of terms equal to what? 37. So our correct answer is number of terms equal to 37. This is our right answer.